Today's video, I'm gonna show you how can you dump the Dex files of an application. So for today, we have this demo application. Let me show you. This has 360 Jaguar protection. Let me show you the Dex file of the application. Here you can see it. It has the 360 Jaguar Dex file and no other Dex, the main ones. So let's try dumping it. Let's try it. So for this, we will need Frida, and we have this demo device here to run Frida. If you don't know how to install it, you can watch my other videos. In this video, we will require root access for it. I will soon release a video that shows how to dump it without root. Let's start. I will connect the device with my PC at first. Let me turn it on. Let me install the application on the device using ADB. Here is the application. Let me try. Wait a sec. Okay, let me run the Frida server on the device. Let's check if it's running or not. Yes, running. Now we will also record the application's package name. So let me find it. This is an APK tool. I will decompile the APK. I will open the Android menu paste, and you will find the package name here on the top. Here's the package name. I will copy it. Now I will go to the terminal and type Frida U for the USB device. Now F for the package name. Now L for the script, and I will drop the script here. And now let's keep the device screen on, and now we'll just hit enter. The app will open. Interact with the app for a while, then close it over. Here you see the path of the Dex files. Now let's begin to get those files on my desktop. I will open another window in terminal, and I will type here ADB root. ADB has started as root, and we will type ADB pull the Dex file path and the place in desktop we want to backup it. Dex. Here is it, the command. Wait a second, I did a mistake. There will be a space between the path on Android and the path in desktop. The first one is pulled. Now try the second one. Here I have pulled all the files. You can see. Let me show by opening this in JDX Pro. Here are the Dex files. Here the Dex file has been dumped over. Now you can add those or do whatever you want with the APK and Dex files. Thank you for watching. I will meet you in the next video. Please visit the description for the script and our website.